Kuya PJ, I don't know if you have read the early positive reviews nung premiere night, after the premiere night, your reaction, grabe daw yung pelikula.
Siyempre, parang pag naisip mo yun, makakahinga ka na, pero hindi pa tayo pinapalabas eh. Pero initially, of course, we're happy. Nagre-repost ako sa mga nababasa ko and nakakataba ng puso kasi siyempre at least nakuha ng audience, you know, the message of the film. At mahaba pa yung babyayihin yan, so mahirap na maging confident tayo, di ba? For now, we're just happy at least na ipalabas na siya. A lot of people were there, a lot of people were happy. I've been receiving a lot of messages saying na nagustuhan nila yung pelikula. Pero ano pa, trabaho pa.
Mahalaga, Kuya PJ, yung word of mouth. Kalat na ngayon sa social media. Iba daw yung trio nyo, lalo na kayo ni Piol, ikaw, Cedric and Ashtin.
I really
Grabe
enjoyed that day when we were doing the rounds of promo. Ang contagious kasi ng energy ng vibe ng dalawa eh. So we just really enjoyed ourselves. Nakakatuwa kasi game na game si Ced tsaka si Ash. And yung kasama sa trabaho yun, yung pagpo-promote. But more than that, I think I felt the chemistry. I felt na, you know, we had one thing that we wanted to do, you know, more than promote. Yung really, you know, make people feel yung camaraderie.
Correct.
You know, what we experienced on the set. And of course, being with Ced for the last 3 MMFF films. And then with Ash, nakakatuwa kasi parang, you know, nagkaroon ka ng bagong kaibigan, nagkaroon ka ng bagong kasama sa trabaho na alam mong pareho ng intention, pareho kayo ng gustong gawin.
Correct.